Teens in today's times. Teenager is a transitional phase between childhood and adulthood, and it's a quite interesting and exciting phase in one's life. But at the same time, it has its own sensitivities and vulnerabilities, and it brings along with it challenges for the parents as well as the teens who are in this phase. And we are in a world wherein the social media has taken over us at a whip-lashing speed, and no doubt it has influenced our lives in some or the other way. And teenager is a phase in which the body and the mind are going through a lot many changes at the physical, emotional, mental, physiological, as well as the biological level. And this phase is an exploring phase in which the teen is just out in the social world. He or she has to maintain a social image, that how do I look to the society, how do I maintain my body so that I'll be in good books of others. And this has resulted in a lot of eating disorders. It's a phase in which one is exploring his or her identity. But at the same time, the rising peer pressure, the competition to achieve something can really bog down a teenager. And the parental conflict and the bullying, the cyberbullying, can really put the teenager in a roller coaster ride if not handled with care. And where anxiety, depression, suicide, and many other psychiatric illness are at a rise, we really need to address this phase and handle it with care. So what we can do is, as a parent, we need to provide a safe space for our child to express himself or herself. Journaling of one's thoughts and emotions can really be of immense help. Engaging oneself in interest of their choice can really boost the self-esteem and confidence. And at last, taking the help of a counselor or a psychiatrist or a therapist can really be of utmost help in transforming a teenager to a fruitful adult.